Welcome to the Communication Science Study Program, Faculty of Social and Cultural Sciences, Universitas Trunojoyo, Madura. The Bachelor of Communication Science is one of the 4 study programs at the Faculty of Social and Cultural Sciences. It was established since June 24, 2005. The Communication Science provides bachelor education according to the Indonesia's National Qualification Framework or KKNI in 6th grade. There are 2 pathways for student admissions to the Communication Science study program: National Selection and University Selection. National Selection, or also known as SNBP and SNBT, refers to provisions of the Minister of Education's regulations, whereas the University Selection or Jalur Mandiri is subject to the Chancellor's decisions. Application rate is 450% in average from study places offered for the last 4 years. Currently, Communication Science has around 765 student body running in odd and even semesters. Lecturer resources include 2 professors, 8 associate professors, 8 assistant professors, and 6 lecturers. The lecturers have adequate qualification and also national and international recognition. Communication Science study program have international outlook for lecturers and students. Lecturers are supported to undertake further studies abroad, become presenters at international conferences, conduct collaborative research with international colleges, and also become guest lecturers at universities abroad. International student mobility inbound from Universitas Teknologi Petronas and Palaki University, and also student outbound to University Saint Islam, Malaysia. The study program employs an output-based education or OBE curriculum to achieve graduate profiles as junior researchers, media professionals, and communications entrepreneurs. Students can use the transfer credit mechanism by participating in independent campus learning activities, or also known as MBKM. Learning is carried out using various non-monotonous methods with evaluations on project-based learning and case study approaches. The study program are facilitated by classrooms with LCD multimedia, whiteboards, air conditioner, and other equipments located on the 2nd and 3rd floor at the faculty building. On the 1st floor of the faculty building, there are several management rooms, namely the Dean's and Deputy Dean's room, Department Head's room, Study Program Head's room, and also lecturer's room. The faculty administration room is located in the central of faculty building. Students also have access to use sharing facilities. Several shared facilities such as meeting hall, the skateboard court, jogging track, futsal field, student dormitory, place of worship, health clinic, and student center. The Communication Science study program also has several supporting laboratories for lecturers, including Design Graphic Laboratory, facilitated with computer graphics, PR Laboratory with public speaking stage, table manner, and supporting facilities, Broadcast Studio with camera mixer and other supporting facilities, Photography Laboratory with camera lighting and other equipment, radio with podcast facilities like a recording, mixer, and application included. The library, as the main support for education, is located in the central part of the campus, accommodating thousands collection of books, journals, scientific papers, including digital manuscript. Communication Study Program supports student interests and talents development through various student activities unit. Communication students also can join various communities, namely the radio community, RASI, film community, syndicate pictures, public relation community, photography LES community, graphic design GDC, and broadcasting GATV. Through this community, students have achieved national FFMI ETC and international BGI USM achievements. Academically, students can do counseling with their academic supervisor. Meanwhile, to help students who need counseling with personal problems, faculty facilitates a counseling unit. In ensuring student achievement, faculty facilitate with several units, namely PKM Center, to prepare students' abilities to take part in National Student Science Competition, and Student Development Career Center, or SDCC, to provide students work field insight. To provide a warm and academic experience, students can hold discussions with fellow students or lecturers in a casual setting in the Creative Hub faculty room, the public space in the courtyard of the building. It used as a place for various student activities, both to relaxing and generated creative ideas that are sheltered by the Communication Science Study Program. The university is committed to providing inclusive and non-discriminatory education. The equality become university value by providing equivalent opportunities for lecturers or students regardless of race, ethnicity, religion, or gender background. The building is facilitated with a track for the disabled. The lift is also equipped with braille. University also have a task force under the rector decree to prevent cases of sexual violence. In the end of the academic and supporting activities, produce qualified alumnus of the Communication Science Study Program. Until the 2023 academic year, it has 967 alumnus spread across the various fields of junior research, media professionals, creative industry, and communications media entrepreneurs. Some of the alumnus also receive scholarships for further studies at leading national and international universities, Australia and Korea. Communication Science Study Program, Universitas Trunojoyo Madura, constantly working on a sustainable improvement in education from various aspects, from academic curriculum, its facilities, and infrastructure in order to achieve the program learning outcomes. Komunikasi, kreatif, inovatif, eksis. Universitas Trunojoyo Madura, unggul, tangguh, dan mandiri.